In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment reminders in FreshBooks. Payment reminders are a simple way to stay on top of unpaid invoices without having to manually follow up each time. Once they're set correctly, FreshBooks can automatically send reminder emails based on the schedule you choose, which can help improve on-time payments and save you time in your billing process. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account. Once you're in, you'll need to either create a new invoice or open an existing draft invoice. This is important because payment reminders are configured from within the invoice itself, so make sure you're working on the correct one before moving forward. Next, look to the settings panel on the right-hand side of the invoice screen. In that panel, click Send Payment Reminders. This will open the reminder options for that invoice and client, allowing you to control how and when follow-up emails are sent. From there, check the option labeled Automatically Send Payment Reminders for this client's invoices. Enabling this setting tells FreshBooks to handle the reminders automatically, which is especially useful if you regularly invoice the same client and want a more consistent payment follow-up process. Now it's time to set the reminder schedule. Enter the number of days, then choose whether the reminder should be sent before or after the invoice due date. For example, sending a reminder a few days before the due date can help clients prepare payment in advance, while a reminder after the due date is useful for overdue balances. Choose the timing that best matches your workflow and client communication style. If needed, you can also click Add another reminder to schedule additional payment reminders. This is optional, but it can be helpful if you want more than one touchpoint, such as one reminder before the due date and another after it passes. Once your reminders are set, take a moment to review the full schedule carefully. Make sure the timing makes sense for your business and that the reminders will go out when you expect them to. A quick review here can help prevent unnecessary follow-ups or reminders that feel too frequent. When everything looks good, click Done to save the payment reminder settings. Then click Save or Send to, depending on whether you want to keep the invoice as a draft or send it right away. And that's it. You've successfully set up payment reminders in FreshBooks. Once enabled, this feature can make your invoicing process more efficient and help you maintain steady communication with clients about upcoming or overdue payments.